Hey there! In this video, we will be discussing the basic requirements of a Live-In Caregiver application. For starters, it used to be that the caregivers were required to reside with their employers. That has changed, and it is no longer a requirement, but rather an option. Employers who are still interested in having the caregiver live in with them, they can still do so, as long as the employee consents to it. If the employee does not agree to it, it will need to be shown in the application that there are affordable living accommodations in the neighborhood. There are documents needed to prove where the employee will be working, such as your purchase and sales agreements of your property to demonstrate the location of the workplace. The most important aspect of an LMIA assessment is the position that you post on different websites and what that position states. The application may be refused if you have a posting that is missing information, or it is unclear, or the email address listed is not the email address that you check regularly. All of these minor reasons are reasons why you could get refused. Not only is the quality and the content important, but where you post it as well. Because this is a low experience job, you need to post it to underrepresented individuals as well, such as women, children, disabled individuals, etc. The last requirement is to prove that the applicant that is chosen to do this position meets the requirements. For example, if you are applying for childcare, then that individual needs to have proof that they have completed high school and that they speak and understand basic English. You also have to prove that the applicant has at least 1 year of experience with minor children, or that they have 6 months with their childcare certificate. If you are applying to be a caregiver for an elderly citizen, most elderly require some sort of medication, and if there is medication involved, you will need to have some license to be able to do that, such as a registered nurse. If you are taking care of an elderly, the documents that were just stated are the same with the exception of the proper certification and the degrees to administer medication. If you are a caregiver or an employer looking to hire or have more questions, feel free to contact us by phone or email. Remember, at O'Krami & Associates, there's always a way.